Hello everybody, welcome to Pantech Learning. So now with the number of job openings growing by the day, many job seekers are becoming victims of fake phone calls, right? And the job search is becoming increasingly in online and also difficult to tell if a job offer or a recruiter is real. So you don't fall victim to a job scam, right? So in this video, we're going to see how to spot fake job calls. So first, as a fresher, if you receive a job offer with a higher salary than the market, you should think twice about accepting it because it could be fake. And if you receive such an offer, mark it as spam right immediately. And also, if you notice that a job offer is being sent from a free email account such as google.com or yahoo.com, you should be alert that it's a scam because authentic job offers are always delivered through the company's registered email address. And if you receive an offer letter with a poor formatting and English, it's likely that the offer isn't genuine. And scammers will often give you instructions to directly credit their account with the processing fee or demand further your personal informations to access, which could lead to a fraudulent activity, right? And then additionally ensure that your offer letter includes contact information. Contact information means your phone, their phone number or company address as well as an official logo. Otherwise, it will be fake. So, as a job seeker, you must ensure that your offer letter include these elements and must conduct risk assessment before agreeing to any interview. If the company is genuine, you can obtain facts and other details on their official website itself, right? And before submitting your personal information, be sure that the website is secure and never take any employment that requires money to be transferred from one account to another. If there is no company information or if there is a grammatical errors or you can't easily discover contact information, it's a red flag, right? Usually someone such as a recruiter listed the job and you can conduct some research on them on Google or LinkedIn. If you can't find this information again, when they ask for your bank routing number, for example, they are telling you that they are going to send you money to buy equipment to perform this task, and then they ask for your personal information, which is a red signal that should not be happening so early in the process, right? And finally, if anything appears too good to be true, it usually is. And if this company is promising you the world and it just seems too good to be true, it is a massive red flag that this is most likely a scam. So while not every job posting is fake, it is critical and your obligation to conduct proper research on the companies you are considering. I will tell you that far too many people have been lost because they didn't take time to do so. And now you have seen the warning sign so that you are on the top of it. So the conclusion is before accepting any offer letter, just research about it. Okay. So if you have any queries, just leave a comment and also comment your thoughts. And if you want this video as a Tamil version, just click the link in the description. See you in next video. Thank you.